I am Rainer, an ESL language instructor. Today I'm going to teach you how to use comparatives and superlatives. Estas son formas muy útiles en hotelería para describir habitaciones y servicios y lugares. Let's get started. Okay, what are comparative and superlatives? Los adjetivos comparativos se usan para comparar dos cosas. For example, this room is bigger than that one. Los adjetivos superlativos se usan para hablar de algo que es el máximo en su categoría. For example, this is the biggest room in the hotel. Here are some comparative examples. Big, bigger. This room is bigger than the one I stayed in last time. Cuando los adjetivos son de 3 sílabas o más, usamos more. For example, comfortable, more comfortable. The deluxe suite is more comfortable than the standard room. También existen algunos adjetivos irregulares. For example, good, better. The spa is better than it was last year after renovation. Now let's see some superlative examples. Big, the biggest. This is the biggest hotel in the city. Cuando son adjetivos largos, en este caso usamos the most. For example, comfortable, the most comfortable. The presidential suite is the most comfortable room we have. En los superlativos también hay adjetivos irregulares. For example, good, the best. This is the best service I ever received. Bad, the worst. That was the worst storm we had this year. Okay, now remember the basic rules. Para adjetivos cortos, agrega ER para comparativos y EST para superlativos. Big, bigger, the biggest. Para adjetivos largos, usa more o most comfortable, more comfortable, the most comfortable. Algunos adjetivos son irregulares, como good, better, the best, bad, worse, the worst. For more useful content like this, check out the other resources we have for you. Thank you for learning with us. Until next lesson.